Difference between the power, authority, and legitimacy. Power is defined as the ability or the potential of an individual to influence others and control their action. Authority is the legal and formal right to give orders and commands and take the decision. Legitimacy means the consent of the public citizens to the ruler authority to rule the state. Means here we have to write first point the definition. Next is the power is a personal trait, that means an acquired ability. Authority is a formal right that vests in the hands of a high officials or management personnel, and legitimacy is obtained from the people. It is vested in the hands of the people. The major source of power is knowledgeable and expertise. On the other hand, position and office determine the power of the authority of a person. Legitimacy depends on the authority or a government. If the laws are lawful, then people will give legitimacy to that work. Power flows in any direction. It can be upward, downward, lateral, crosswise, and diagonal, as opposed to authority that flows only in one direction. That means the downward, from the superior to subordinate. And legitimacy always flows from the people to the authority, ruler, and the government. The power lies in person. In essence, a person acquires it. The authority post lies in the designation. Whoever gets the designation get the authority attached to it. Power lies in a person, and here authority lies in the designation, while the legitimacy lies in the hands of the people. It's the concerned support of the people to the government. Now, two examples of the reformative theory of punishment. Reformative theory is more humanitarian theory of punishment. This theory is inspired from the Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy, hate the sin and not the sinner. This theory aims to perform the criminals and develop the existing skills in them to let them mix up in the society after serving punishment. Now the example are: allow the criminal after serving his punishment in the jail of a theft, robbery, or allow him to join the society again. And second, after serving punishment, juvenile criminal is allowed to continue his education. In which crimes the compensation theory cannot be applicable. Some offences are those petty that giving punishment for them does not seem like practical, and for this offense a speedy and efficient system of punishment was needed to be developed. Means compensation theory. But compensation theory is not applicable to the hardcore criminals or the highly armed criminals. Crimes like the rape, murder, in such crimes compensation theory is not applicable. And what will you study in this subject? Suggest your opinion on the subject, political science. So this is a personal response question, so you can write your own. In your view, you can write the answer of this question. I have suggested the iron law of oligarchy, Robert Michael's theory. So here we have completed all the important questions of the political science.